Are you a fan of history? Do you like to travel? Are you in love with Italy? Hi, my name is Rob Allyn, and I am the founder of a walking tour company called Through Eternity Tours. I came to Rome and Italy with a backpack and a $50 a day budget, and then I decided to move here because I fell in love with Italy and I wanted to share my experiences. That's why I created this tour company with a great staff and wonderful guides. We've really become a family through the years. We want to take you on a journey and show you what Italy has to offer through our storytelling, our walks, our conversations, and our beautiful visual destination series. We are going to share with you what we have been doing for over 2 decades, which is unforgettable experiences through history, through the love of Italy, with us, through eternity. So make sure to press the subscribe button and also click on the bell to be sure that you are updated when we ever have something newly uploaded. Thanks a lot.